Your Store Tools supports imports from Google Sheets. This video will walk you through how to import data using it as your data source. Using this sheet as an example, we have two tabs, one for inventory and one for pricing. First, we need to enable sharing on the sheet by clicking on the Share button and selecting Anyone with the link under General Access. Once that's done, copy the link from the tab you want to import data from. Then, in Your Store Tools, choose Google Sheet URL as the file source, paste in the URL, and map your fields. Do the same with additional tabs, like the Pricing tab in this example. Again, copy the URL, paste it into Your Store Tools, and you're all set.